I work with out-of-state buyers in Lakewood Ranch every single week. And before we ever talk about floor plans or price points, I get the same questions every time. So today I'm answering 3 of the biggest ones. No spin, no builder talking points, just what I actually tell buyers when they sit across from me. Let's go. How far is Lakewood Ranch from the beach? This is the #1 question every time, and I get it. You're moving to Florida. The Gulf Coast is part of the draw. Now here's the honest answer. Lakewood Ranch is an inland community. You are not walking to the beach from your front door. And depending on which neighborhood you're in, you're looking at roughly 30 minutes to a little over an hour to the nearest Gulf beaches. So that's Siesta Key, Lido Key, Anna Maria Island, Longboat Key, or even St. Pete Beach if you're on the north side. Now here's what I tell every buyer who pauses on that. You are not trading the beach for a subdivision. You are trading beachfront proximity for newer construction, significantly lower flood risk, lower insurance costs, better schools, and a lifestyle infrastructure that coastal communities flat out cannot match. And here's what almost every buyer tells me after they've lived here for a year. They do go to the beach more than they expected because the drive is easy, the beaches are genuinely world class, and they're not sitting in beach traffic every weekend because they don't live there. It's a different relationship with the coast, and most people end up loving it more than they thought they would. What is the traffic like? I'm gonna be straight with you. Lakewood Ranch has traffic. It's a growing community of over 70,000 people, and the road network is still catching up to the growth. So the main pain point is the University Parkway and I-75 interchange area, and that corridor gets busy, especially during season from January through April when the snowbird population peaks. But here's what I have to say to every buyer who brings this up. Traffic is relative. If you're coming from Atlanta, Chicago, Northern Virginia, or anywhere in the New York metro area, what you will experience in Lakewood Ranch on your absolute worst day is the equivalent of getting stuck at a long traffic light waiting for a left turn. It's not gridlock, it's not a 45-minute commute to go 6 miles, it's a minor inconvenience by almost any major metro standard. So if you're currently sitting in that Atlanta traffic for an hour each way and losing sleep over Lakewood Ranch traffic, stop. It's not the same conversation. Is Lakewood Ranch only for retirees? No. And this misconception costs buyers a real look at a community that might be exactly right for them. Lakewood Ranch is explicitly designed as a multi-generational community. Yes, there are 55+ neighborhoods. Del Webb Catalina and Crestwood are purpose-built for active adults, and they are genuinely excellent. But the majority of Lakewood Ranch's neighborhoods are all ages, and the buyer mix reflects exactly that. Families with school-age kids, remote workers in their 30s and 40s, move-up buyers, second home buyers, they're all here and in real numbers. The average resident age in Lakewood Ranch is right around 50. So that's not a retirement community, that's a community where you will find your people regardless of what life stage you're in. And if you need one more data point, the premier sports campus, one of the top youth athletic facilities in the entire country, is right here. And something worth mentioning that just happened this week, the Manatee County Commission approved moving forward with an $80 million ice sports complex there. So 4 ice sheets, over 150,000 square feet, and if construction goes as planned, it would open in 2028 as the largest ice sports complex in the entire Southeast. This community is not standing still, and that should tell you everything you need to know about how seriously Lakewood Ranch takes its family buyer. Those are the 3 questions I get most about location and lifestyle in Lakewood Ranch. Next up is going to be the real cost: HOA fees, CDD fees, flood insurance, and whether this place is actually worth what it costs. I'm Tana Showalter with Rogue Realty. If you're researching Lakewood Ranch from out of state and want a straight answer on anything, link is in the description. I'll see you in the next one.